Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome back to Ryson's Spray Booth. And in this video I will show you how I had restored my wife's bike, and that too 5 years back. And this is the same bike on which I have created the course. So it is going to be a very interesting video guys. So see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. And press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. So guys, before you start any project, you should wash your vehicle first, which I am done with already. Once you are done washing, wherever you have a dents or scratches on your vehicle, you should fill those up with body filler or putty. Once you fill them up with body filler, you will have to take a DS sander like this or a flat block and you will have to do the sanding. Now I had painted this scooter 5 years back guys, but I have not posted videos of this paint job anywhere. So for the first time I am creating a video on this. Now all these videos I have taken from my course guys, on which I tell you guys all the time that entire course I have created based on this scooter. So guys, when I first started to work on this scooter, I did not get success. I kept trying, I kept failing, I got horrible results, but I still kept on trying and I was almost about to lose hope guys. And I thought I would not get success in this. But at that time, my wife supported me. She told me that I will get success and she told me to keep on trying. And guys, when you learn from your mistakes, then it goes right into your subconscious and you don't repeat that mistake again. But if you don't learn from your mistake, then it is a different scenario guys, and it is a very big problem. Because when you are just starting out in autobody and painting, then you will fail a lot of times. No matter how many times you fail guys, see that you learn from your failure. You must keep on checking what mistake you did, and like this, by learning from your mistakes again and again, you will become a professional painter. Inside of my course, all the mistakes that I did, I have rectified them and I teach you guys so that you don't have to repeat that same mistake again. And so that the money that you spend on the expensive material will not go wasted. So guys, here I am done doing the surface preparation. Now I will apply primer on top of this, and wherever I don't want my primer to get settled, on all those spots you will have to do masking like this. And the better you do the masking, the better finish you will get. So keep that in mind. Don't do laziness when it comes to masking guys. If you get lazy to do the masking, then you will suffer later on. So guys, when I had just started out with autobody and painting, I had done a lot of mistakes. I used the wrong type of masking tape, because of which the paint bleed through, and at that time many questions were in my mind guys. Questions like where I will get the right kind of masking tape, after how long I have to take out this masking tape, and there are many mistakes that you can do even with the masking tape guys. But it is a very important step when it comes to autobody and painting, which you will have to learn and do. Many times you guys must have noticed that there is a overspray on your headlight or on your glass or on the rubber moldings. This type of things happen when you do laziness with the masking and when you don't do masking properly. Believe me guys, it takes a lot of time to do the masking, but you should not skip the masking process. So guys, you must have noticed here that even my hair is short here. So you can imagine how old this video is. So the next step is the sanding process. Guys, before I used to think why we have to sand a primer, because we guys have seen it from before. First you have to apply the primer, then you will have to apply the paint. But I had never seen anybody sanding the primer. But when I was learning the Autobody and painting process, I learned that you will also have to sand the primer, because when you spray the primer, it doesn't lay flat on the surface. It is uneven. So you will have to make it flat first, and then only you will get a good finish. If you spray the paint on top of the primer without sanding, the first thing that will happen is you will be applying the paint on an uneven surface, because the primer always lays uneven. So you will not get a flat finish. And the second thing is, now because you have laid the paint without sanding the primer, then your paint will not get those tooth to hold on to. So your paint will not get a good bonding with the primer and with the surface as well. And after few days, your paint will start to peel off. Now all these things I teach inside of my course, guys. If you guys want to learn Autobody and painting, then I have put a link of my course in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled. So guys, the next thing that comes is tacking. Now tacking is such a thing that nobody likes to talk about. When I first learned about this tack cloth, I was slightly scared, guys, that will I get the tack cloth or no. But when I went on the paint shop, you get this tack cloth easily there. So you don't have to worry about it at all. Once you are done wiping the surface with the tack cloth, your surface is now ready to spray the paint. Now before you wipe the surface with the tack cloth, you should be done mixing your paint. Once you are done wiping the surface with the tack cloth, you will have to do only 3 things. You will have to set your PSI, set your fan width, check your spray pattern, and now you are ready to spray the paint. So I will end this video here only, guys, because the video has already become too long. In my next video, I will be spraying the paint on all the parts. And I am going to put Xerylix in the clear coat, guys. So in the end, let's see what type of finish I will acquire. But all of that in my next video. So if you found this particular video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is rysonsspraybooth signing out until we meet again.